Holding position at grid 4, descending slowly.
Confirmed. Clearance is good. Alignment secure at R2 marker.
Check the alignment on panel 7.
Looks flush to spec. Safety wires intact. Flight controls check.
Confirmed. Engines to max. All stations hold short, moving through the gate. Roger that, looking good on the left side, maintain center line.
There you will see inside this facility, beginning with the very first raw materials and following every stage through to a completed aircraft ready for flight.
Roll 1 secured.
Confirmed. Clear the deck and move it out.
Station 3, confirm receipt.
Received. Routing to crossing now.
We are now approaching the composite manufacturing area, the beginning of the actual component fabrication process.
Thanks, Listen.
Verify the angle on section 4.
Schedule calls for plus 45.
Matches the reference line.
Pressure is climbing steadily on gauge 3.
Check the vacuum integrity on mold 12.
Looks stable.
Okay, easy now. Keep it centered.
Got it. Rolling smoothly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Clear.
Confirmed. Clearance is good. Alignment secure at R2 marker.
Clear on the right side.
Easy now. Watch the brackets.
And locked in. Nice work.
Just a quarter turn more.
How's that look?
Right on the money. Lock it up.
Got
0.004, 0.004, 0.0035. All green, sign off on page 2.
Systems check on avionics bus 1 nominal.
Copy that. Moving to hydraulic cart diagnostics now.
Telemetry confirms the starboard elevon reached the upper limit.
Position sensors match. No anomalies detected on the actuators.
Checklist complete. Systems nominal.
Roger that. Initiating start sequence.
The air drawn into the inlet creates an increasingly powerful suction. The igniters fire. A brief, sharp...
EGT stable, 450 degrees, EPR checked.
Roger that. Oil pressure and vibration within limits. Recording complete.
Check the alignment on panel 7.
Looks flush to spec. Safety wires intact.
From raw composite fabric and titanium blocks, this incredible machine now stands complete.
Okay, easy now, center it up.
Got the latch, securing starboard.
Clear to connect. Give me a thumbs up when ready.
Alignment verified. Clear to start engines.
Flight controls check.
Confirmed. Engines to max.
AI generated visual. The visual animation graphic in this video are completely synthetic. They are created using advanced AI tools including VO3, Meta AI and Grok. They are for illustrative purpose only and don't depict real life camera footage, actually location or real events. 100% original content. The script and ideas are researched from publicly available information and completely rewritten using AI to guarantee originally. We strictly respect YouTube policies and don't copy and create or reuse content from any other creator. Educational purpose. Edited professionally in capture. This video is produced exclusively for educational and informational purposes, aiming to provide unique and informative value to our viewers.